Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great actually. So today we talk about FRRO office services like visa extension, how we need to do visa extension through online. So okay, so it's a completely online process, and the FRRO team may ask physical visit if required. So okay, the person needs to be in India while applying this. Okay, and I'll let you know entire process like what are the documents required and how much time it will take and what is the charges we need to pay for our complete process full process we need to after that you have any queries just you can reach out to me and I'll give my company office contact details and all the things. Okay, you can reach out to me. So we have 15 years of good experience in the particular visa processing and FRO related works. Okay, so can reach out anytime to email. Okay, I'll give you all the numbers down in the description. And yeah, let's go. Let's start with. Hi, just we start now. So just open Google. Okay, just type FRRO services and open this link. Okay, so here the page will open will like this, and just you open. There is a two options. One is already registered one. You can log in here, and if you are the new user, then you need to register here actually. And there is a pop-up here, and the content pop content is so please use mobile register mobile number and mail ID is proper way. Like you will get the correct one because you will get all the like communications and information like notifications everything through this mail only and the same mobile number only. Okay, and if your FRRO team need to contact you through mail ID or mobile number, the same which you can use, the use correct one actually. Okay, and just you can type your mail ID and a mobile number. So only Indian mobile number here clearly mentioned Indian number only. So use only Indian mobile number. Other countries will not accept, however. So and username as per passport and given name as per passport, date of birth, and all the details should be as per passport only, passport copy, and nationality. Okay, and you can type capture here, and after hit the submit button. Okay, okay, and once you hit the button submit button and you will receive two OTPs, one to one mobile and one mail. Okay, and you need to enter both the OTPs in the same page, and after that you will get login credentials. Okay, so I'm unable to do because that OTP part because I already used all the mobile numbers because we are frequently using all the numbers. Okay, so we don't have new numbers to use, around 20 or 15 numbers are already used. Okay, uh, so yeah, just use it's very simple. Just hit the submit button. You will receive OTP. Just need to enter the OTPs only. After that, you will get a mail ID as your user ID, and you need to create a password. That's it only. Yeah. So once you enter OTP and everything, then you need to uh, come login page like this. Just you need to enter your registered mail ID as user ID and passport you need to create. Yeah. So the password. So I'm writing my password. I'm typing. Yeah. So once you enter your credentials, login credential, the dashboard will open like this only. So just uh, you don't require all the things like edit application. These are just you need to uh, create a fresh application submission. Okay, just click this and you have another pop-up is there like children's below. So I'll let you know. So children's below 12 years age not required, only FRRO registration only. So the this part only will consider the registration part is not required, but the rest everything will be same. And they need exit visa, visa extension, all the things they need as as it is. The registration part is not required for the below 2 years people, kids. Okay. So okay, I just you need to mention present nationality. So I'm just taking a rough different kind. You don't do like this. Just you need to enter proper details as per your documents. Okay, just keep all the documents in front of you while applying this, and just submit all the details properly. Just I am just taking it roughly. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, just I'm taking a different Telangana. Taking Hyderabad. So the registrar will given name. My name is Srikanth, and yeah, and select mail. So I need to extend my visa. So you this part is visa extension, right? So just I'm clicking visa extension. Okay, and visa extension, and here. Uh, because these applicants not required, no, not applicable, no. So I'm going little speed, so because this is a simple process, and there is no rocket science like this. Okay, so that's why I'm going little fast. Okay, and so medical visa, so now we are applying for a medical visa extension. Okay, so I'm typing medical and M1 and submit button. The applicant, another policy alert is the applicant should be present in India while applying for a grant visa related services. So not visa related services, any like exit visa, visa extension, anything, applicant should present in India only, obviously. So please mind it actually. And also there is a requirement document here. Okay, so while we're applying this visa extension, these all the documents has to be ready with you only. Okay, and medical certificate, passport, registration certificate, and stay visa, residence proof, visa, and photo. So all the documents you have to make to be ready before applying this, and keep ready with you. Uh, and actually, I need to mention one point is most of the people are watching your YouTube videos and applying themselves. The thing is, the application is not successful. They submit actually once submitted, the FRRO people will raise the queries for documentation and I think different related issues. Again, the people are reaching out to the agents. Actually, many people are reaching out to me, reaching related to FRRO and visa extension services. They are saying, "Sir, I applied 6 months back, but it's still in a process, and sir, applied visa extension 2 months back, but there is no update." They're saying like, sir, they are asking additional documents. Yes, they may ask additional documents based on the nationality, case to case, case based on the person actually. Okay, but he needs to submit actually. FRO will ask many documents as per their requirements. We have to submit. There is no other option, right? So please try to understand. Submit all the documents. Okay, and my suggestion is, so if you have good time, you have knowledge and everything, then you go and apply through online yourself. Otherwise, you don't have time. You have to put your mind here, and you have to respond all the queries of FRO officers. Then just you go to you approach the agent. Okay, agent or expert or anyone. So I'm not saying so you reach out all the guys reach out to me. Just I'm saying reach any can reach any person, no problem. But my intention is prevention is better than cure. Okay, so after applying, you will receive queries, and the process will create more confusion and delay. However, you reaching the agent, they will charge as it is only. Okay, they will not give any discount because you need to do all application process and everything, right? So try to understand what I'm saying. Don't take it another way. Just try to understand. You have time, you have knowledge and everything. Then apply yourself. Otherwise, you can reach out to agents. Okay, anyone. Okay. just hit the submit button. Okay, the application page open here like this. Yeah, open here, and then I'm just mentioning a few simple details actually. So it's a very basic details, and mm, there's no rocket science, but need to be mentioned all that carefully. Okay, just father name, mother name, suppose spouse name, and date of birth, DD, MM, YYY. Okay, just take uh, date of birth and place of birth, city, and um, uh, birth country, and religion, Hindu. So yeah, the a matter of acquiring a present nationality by birth only. Yeah, so you can write all the details here, and category. So address outside. Suppose you are staying in another country, you have to mention address. Okay, India address. Okay, along with the pin code where you are staying. But you need to give all the correct details before, if you, the FRRO officers may ask physical visit as well. Okay, so your occupation here, your mail ID, your passport details here, and issued country details here, and passport expiry date, issue date. The basic details is related to applicant only, but you have to return it carefully. Okay, and uh, all the dates here, visa type, like visa validity, triple entry, multiple entry. What is the visa validity? Okay, and hospital name, because we are applying medical visa, right? Then need to mention hospital details and hospital address and CT and district, mobile numbers and everything. Mm, place of like where you came from, India, and which city and which country, and date of arrival in India. Suppose I'm putting today's day, something another date. Okay, and where you landed in India, Hyderabad. So something Hyderabad. So journey, how we came by air, right? So yeah, purpose of visit, studies, actually medical purpose, meeting medical treatment. Yeah, so we have to mention all the details properly. Just so I'm doing multiple tasks so much till morning, so I'm just tired actually. I'm saying like this. It's completely based on the request actually. So the people are asking to do medical, so that's why I'm doing medical with the extension. Okay. That's how many months you require. 6 months. I suppose you require 6 months. So I need to mention 6 months. Okay. So while applying everything carefully, please apply carefully. And reason for extension, you can write medical. Okay. And after that, just hit uh, CP, yeah, Y8, just save and continue. Please you register currently. Yeah, I need to mention no. Have you registered earlier? So I'm registered, right? So as a new applicant, right? It's not required. Not allowed. So once you fill the details, it will come to the next level, next page. You just need to upload all the documents. Okay, so choose. You need to upload all these documents carefully one by one, and first choose photo, residence proof, visa, medical certificate. You have to upload all the documents. If you have additional documents, you can type other, and you can add here. Okay, so you can type any, like many documents, no problem. Okay, and once you uploaded all the documents, you submit. So you click submit button. Okay, once you click this, and application will submitted, you will get application ID. Okay, and if FRRO people need to send any the notification, you will receive all the notifications through mail. Okay, and mobile. mostly mail. Okay, if they require any additional documents, so they will send the mail. Okay, they will send the mail. Just you need to re-upload the document through this same application page only. Okay, that I will create another how to re-upload another video. I'll show you everything. And if you need, if you guys, if you anyone need FRRO services support, visa action support, so we have pan India presence. We have pan India support, and we also collect home pickup, home delivery services as well. Okay, courier services, and we'll do everything. Process easier for you, hassle free. Okay, you can reach out to us, my team. Actually, I'll give my mobile number, all the details in the below description. Okay, and yeah, thanks for watching video. I hope you have any doubt, just reach out to my team. My team will help you in any way. Okay, yeah, thank you.